Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an initial VA disability claim. First, gather all necessary documents, including your service records and discharge papers like a DD-214. Next, familiarize yourself with the different types of disability claims to ensure you choose the correct one for your situation. You can begin your application online through the VA website. Mail in a completed Form 21-526EZ, or visit a local VA regional office for assistance. To strengthen your claim, gathering comprehensive evidence is crucial. This includes all medical records from your time in service and any private medical records detailing your current condition. Additionally, secure lay statements, also known as buddy statements, from friends, family, or those you served with, describing how your disability affects your daily life. A personal statement from you, explaining your condition and its connection to service, is also very valuable. Before submitting, carefully review all forms, particularly VA Form 21-526EZ, for completeness and accuracy. You can submit your claim online through the VA's website, which is often the preferred method, or by mailing the completed forms to the VA Claims Intake Center. If mailing, consider using certified mail with a return receipt for proof of delivery. Always keep copies of every document you submit for your own records. After submission, the VA will confirm receipt and begin its review process, which can take several months. They may contact you for additional evidence or schedule a compensation and pension, or C&P, exam to assess your condition. It's vital to attend any scheduled exams. Once a decision is made, you'll receive a letter detailing the outcome. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.